near supporters. मुंगेले मुझ बरो भोंता ही थे. मुंगे family, my fan following. I कोणा confidence आ थोड्या जाणा confidence again. Due to different conditions, we took a decision to join the Trinamool Congress. When I took this decision, I hurt a lot of people. I hurt my friends, I hurt my well-wishers, I hurt my family, I hurt my close friends. Without even a word, my constituents, my strong supporters, they hurt zale. I took this decision, we took this decision in the interest of my people because I was promised a new dawn. I thought there would be a lot of changes in the system because we always look up to changes in the system. I'm सदां लोकां पासत झगडले. I'm सदां लोकांगे इश्यू घेन असेंब्ली झगडले. आम्ही असेंब्लीन काम केलां कोणाच्यान कितें उलोवं कोणाच्यान काय प्रूव करूं जायना आमचेर. आमी जेन्ना झगडले आमी गाडी आनी मोहन घेवन झगडले. तरी आसतना आमी डिसिजन घेयलें. म्हाका दिसलें हांवें बरें डिसिजन घेयलें एक इंट्रस्ट ऑफ माय पिपल मुगे लोकां लागून कितें बरें जाता म्हणून मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जावं गोंयचे पासत. हें डिसिजन घेयलें आनी तरी आसतना हितू म्हाका बॅकलॅश आसतना हितू म्हाका द वे आय डीड इट म्हाका हितू बॅकलॅश तरी आसतना आय टूक अ डिसिजन. मुगे स्ट्रॉंग सपोर्टरांनी मुजे बरोबर रावले. म्हाका सपोर्ट दिलो. आमी गेले मुखार वयता आसतना आमकां म्हणूंक लागले लोक जायत जाण भोंवता आसतना अरे तुमी बायल पार्टी कितें हाडटाय तुमी वोट कितें स्प्लीट कोत्ताय तुमी दुसऱ्या फायद कोण दितले हें तुमी कित्याक कोत्ताय. सो म्हाका दिसोलें आमी सदां ग्रावंडार भोंवपी मनीस आमी लोकांगे पाल्स घेवपी मनीस आमी लोकां बरोबर रावपी मनीस लोकांगे एक सामान्य मनशा बरोबर हात बोट तेंगे जिवितांत घालपी मनीस. म्हाका खंय तरी दिसोलें दॅट आय हॅव टू रिथिंक. काल मागीर हाजे ओपिनियन पोल डे बरो दिसाक जायत जाण मुगे सपोर्टर येयले. जे सपोर्टर मुजे बरोबर तीक आनी तीन रावले येयले मुजे बोले आनी म्हाका म्हणूंक लागले तूं हें डिसिजन पड घेयलां तें तूं रिथिंक कर आनी खंय तरी तुवें काँग्रेस पार्टी कडेन पत्त वचपा जाय म्हणूंक लागले. हांवें कांय म्हणून हांवें आयकिल्लें तें गेलें आनी स्टेप नंबर 1 म्हणटे पयस फावटीर बिफोर आय से एनीथींग when I hurt a lot of people due to my decision which was due to wrong judgment हो दर मुगे मिस्टेक जाल्या हांव सॉरी म्हणटा मुगे सगळ्या लोकांक. जे लोकांनी मुजे एक ट्रस्ट दवरलेलो हांव काळजांतल्यान सॉरी म्हणटा. जे लोकांनी मुजे एक ट्रस्ट दवरलेलो जो मुजे एक तेणी विश्वास दवरलेलो खंय तरी तेंकां हर्ट केलें. हांवें सगळें सांगूंक मेळना म्हाका पूण थोड्या जाणां हांवें सांगिल्लें हांव सॉरी म्हणटा. जे मुगे सगळे स्ट्रॉंग सपोर्टर्स आहाय तेंकां कुडतरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीच्या प्लस मुगे क्लोज फ्रेंड्स मुजे बरोबर भोंवताले तेंकां देखून थोड्यांक सांगून हांवें. मुगे फॅमिली मेंबर्स मुगे हितू फॅन फॉलोईंग हें डिसिजन पडे हांवें तेंकां पडे हर्ट केलां तेंकां हांव सॉरी म्हणटा काळजांतल्यान सॉरी म्हणटा. आनी तेच भाशेन जे हें डिसिजन घेतरीच मुजे बरोबर रावले हितू हानमाल म्हाका तेंकां हांव एप्रिशिएट करता काळजांतल्यान. पूण हें डिसिजन घेयलो हांवें इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ माय पिपल. म्हाका कितें आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जावं गोंयकारांक जावं आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी लोकांक जावं कितें बरें जाता म्हूण. बट भितर तरी कळ्ळें म्हाका कितें तें भितर तरी कळ्ळें. आनी काल जेन्ना सगळे लोक येयले आनी सगळे म्हणूंक लागले म्हाका तूं म्हणपा लागले हें डिसिजन तूं रिथिंक कर. For 20 days I went through what I went through, I only know. But I fought hard. तेणें म्हाका काँग्रेसीक अलायन्स करया म्हणपा लागले. जाय दोस सांगिल्ले तेणें म्हाका. प्रॅक्टिकली कांय जायना. सो हे सगळी कोण हांव मुगे लोकां सॉरी म्हूण आनी मुगे जे मनशांनी म्हाका हात मारला तांकां एप्रिशिएट कोण काळजांतल्यान. आय कॅनॉट फॉरगेट ऑल दीस थिंग्स. इट इज नॉट सो इजी टू गेट सो मच ऑफ सपोर्ट. I'm grateful to them, and therefore yesterday we took a decision to resign from the Trinamool Congress. I know I have hurt a lot of people by taking a decision, and I know I'm going to have its repercussions, but it is done. आज पासून म्हाका हांवें जेन्ना तो रिजनल जाल्लो पयलो सदां लोकांगे इश्यू घेताले. लोकांगे इश्यू घेताले, लोकांगे आमी इश्यू मांडटाले एसेंब्ली भायर. तोच म्हाका परतून जावपा जाय. I want to be the same person who people had faith, people had so much trust that I will take up issues. I will fight more for my people of Goa. I decision घेयला आमगे लोकां बरोबर हे डिसिजन घेयला in the interest of आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आनी गोंयकारांक. आज गोंयकार चोयता एक बरो गव्हर्मेंट 2022. हो गव्हर्मेंट म्हाका येयलो जायो. I am ready for anything. Even if you remember, I told when I joined the TMC, I said we are ready for anything. Again, I am saying, गोंयांत एक 2022 बरो गव्हर्मेंट जायो लोकां जाय तो. Nobody matters here. Goa matters. Every constituency, my constituency, the highest matter that people have to at the end receive some justice for their for their dreams and aspirations. जेन्ना हांवें भोंवता तेन्ना आनीक वस्त लोक म्हणपा लागले की तुमी ह्यो भायल पार्टी कितें हाडटाय काय म्हूण. तुमी कितें आनी हें काम कोत्ताय काय म्हूण, कित्या वोट स्प्लीट कोत्ताय काय म्हूण. तेन्ना I also felt that हें पाप मुजें नाका. रिजनल बी आहलो हें करपाक. आनी हें डिसिजन आज पर्यंत हें डिसिजन हांवें घेयलां तें हांवें लोकां लागून घेयलां. आनी हें डिसिजन मुखार पासून लोक सांगत तें करपाचें. लोकां भायर आनी वचप ना. कित्याक हांव सदां डिसिजन घेतालो. हांवें पयलीं सदां डिसिजन घेयलें. लोकां जाय तीं डिसिजन घेयलें आनी मुगे मागणें लोकांक. हांवें जाणा हांवें कोणाक हर्ट केलां. हांवें जाणा I felt the feeling that I got when I visited the constituency and visited people. My own friends started despising me. My own friends started telling me I'm not going to talk to you even. So all these things made me take this decision, and I will stick to whatever decision my people have told me. My people have told me to see that I join the Congress party. I will listen to my people. My people come first, and there is nothing beyond my people at this point of time. And this is the thickest, this is my Jana Lok Mujwar Itu Ubrawale. I cannot go against the wishes of the people, and we have taken this decision. सी तेदोना म्हाका दिसलोलें की आमी कितें तरी बरें करपा जाय म्हूण. आनी तेदोना तें डिसिजन घेयलोलें. आनी हांवें आतां म्हणटे भाशेन we took that decision to for a better dawn for a better this. But भितर तरी कळ्ळें आनी लोक उलयता तें इम्पोर्टंट आहा. आमी लिडर कितें कोत्ता तें इम्पोर्टंट ना. आमी पळय लोक कितें कोत्ता तें इम्पोर्टंट आहा म्हूण तेका लागून हें डिसिजन घेयलें. आनी हांवें चड कोणाक क्रिटिसायज करूं ना. I criticize only few issues. कोणा criticize करू ना. So मुगे this मुगे मागणे हा की that we have to take this decision in the interest of my people and my state. आनी जे लोकां जाय तें करपाक मुखार सरपाक पडटलें. कित्याक भोंवता आसतना तें कितें जालें लास्ट टायम पड डिसिजन घेयला हांवें तें वी डी नॉट take everybody into consideration. The circumstances, what happened, they know and I know. So all those things have boiled down to this situation.
They are ready to take you.
See, I have just told you my people have told me to join the Congress. So I am on that decision. So I am not going to say anything more, but I feel. No. Michael has made a tweet and Michael has said, you join the Congress party for the betterment. So beyond that, I don't want to, say anything. I will listen to my people. But
Congress should be ready to take any decision.
Michael is a new.
Michael is a new in party. The same Congress. The Congress in the meeting them to voting and they बोलला.
So do you think Congress will gulp that down entire speech what they have criticized you in your own village, Kotari?
See, we will see what decision they take, but it is a decision which will be in the interest of Goa, whatever it is. So I have taken a decision, taking my people into confidence, and my people have told me to go to the Congress party. So I will talk to them and see that I fulfill the aspirations of my people.
That means leader of opposition are experiment केला your education. State level जर आता विषय काय decision आपण घेऊ ना let high command decide. So तुझे high command चा talks.
See, at this stage, let us not this. I'm waiting for. See, the people have told me to join, so I'm on that.
After TMC join झालं भीतर की जाते कळलं पण काय बघायला what is that? किती कळलं म्हणजे भीतर करता
What exactly is TMC now? What exactly? What is their role now in Goa?
See, आम्ही constituency and गोंयांत कितें बरें करपाक गेल्ले. So I'm not seeing that happening there. See, कितें आसता एक पट्टू कितें सांगप आसता न्ही आनी तें जावप 2-3 वस्त आहाय. See, speaking one thing and doing is another thing. So we want result. आमकां जाय लोकांक कितें बरें जालोलें. So तें म्हाका दिसना जालें. So anyway, आमी local decision आमी मुखार व्हरताय. We are here and they are saying that Congress party is the option for Goa म्हण and that जेन्ना भोंवता आसतना आमकां लोकांनी सांगलां की तुमकां भायल पार्टी नाकाय तुमी आमगेली पार्टी घेवन रावाय वोट स्प्लीट कोन्न नाकाय स्प्लीट केलें जाल्यार तुमी दुसऱ्या फायद दितले.
By inducting you again in a Congress party, don't you think it is going to backfire Congress party itself?
This Congress already had taken that defector of Yopanam.
So is it going to affect? Because much is dependent on these things also.
See, I will work if the party I join, I will work for the party and I will work sincerely. Let us not dispute that thing because I don't want to say anything more, but I am just going by what my people are saying.
Have you met any Congress leader after resignation?
Contacted them.
I told you just Michael is in.
No, not Michael. Have you met? Michael is tweeted. Have you met any Congress leaders? Gundurao.
See, I told you that I'm waiting to make my moves. So let us not, I leave it like that. We have taken a decision, and the decision is like this: that people have told me to resign and join the Congress party.
No, my question is simple. Have
What?
you met any Congress leader? Yes or no?
I told you that this is our decision. In a day or two, we will give me some time to at least, let some time pass. No,
No, तू मेळा काय मेळना.
see, mak medpan and dekita tu mak press kutta. Let us, have a very conscious. I need to explain which I have done this part.
टीएमसी किती प्रोग्रेस करतो म्हणून घेतो तो किती केस कोण सुधारता टीएमसी काय गव्हर्नमेंट ना एक एमएलए आतला चर्चिल तेंगे जालो तो एंटर तरी बी त्यांना असेंब्ली ऑलमोस्ट काबार झाली
I thought they would have.
टीएमसी गव्हर्नमेंट हा तिंगा बेंगाला भरपूर टाइम लागता घेवपाक
तू म्हणटे का रिप्लाय दिना तेका लागून हांव भायर सरलो कितें जालें सिस्टम पडे आहा तो सिस्टम तेणी प्रॉमिस केलो तो जावना सी चेंजीस म्हणटे जावपा जाय चेंजीस जातो म्हूण कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी कितें फायद जातो म्हूण गोंयांक कितें फायद जातो म्हूण आमी गेल्ले बट तें दिसना थिंगा सो वी हॅव टेकन अ डिसिजन
So does that mean TMC is fooling people of Goa by promising them a new dawn?
See, let me tell you that people are judges. In my constituency, I felt that the people are not happy with my decision and I have taken a decision. You cannot, people will come to know what is what. And even that systems पडे हाय तो तेंगेल्यो त्यो कित्यो लोक उलयतालो हांव तेजे उलोवपाक सोदना but one thing is there I didn't see what was promised there. That's why, I was expecting a lot of things which I have not seen there. That's why I have, listened to my people. This time the decision is of the people. My constituency. That's it.
That means what was the promise with Congress?
See, people of Kurtori are, what they told me is that it is better. My supporters, I was roaming in the constituency. I was roaming with people. हांव वाडवा मोडा भोंवता आसतना मुगे लोकांगेर भोंवता न्ही तेका हय ते म्हणटाय वी प्रिफर यू ऑन वी प्रिफर यू ऑन अ काँग्रेस पार्टी तूं कितें हें कोत्ता तूं वोट स्प्लीट कोत्तलो म्हणटाय तेंगे तो कितें म्हणटाय तूं वोट स्प्लीट करून आनी कोणाक फायद पडटा म्हणटाय तें कोण नाका वी आर देर विथ यू म्हणटाय We are with you in person for what work you have done in the constituency. They are with you for whatever you have done for so many years. एक सामान्य मनशा तुवें पडे काम केलां आमी तुजे बारबो आहाय but see if you can avoid this thing and I have to listen to the people. Finally a leader has to listen to the people, so I have listened to the people and
Michael Logan के assurance दिला कि that he will help to rejoin Congress.
Rejoin and ticket is the important.
see he has tweeted and he has also spoken to me to come back to the Congress. Finally, I am a people's man. I told you, I will do what the people say. Preference of the people is that we join the Congress party.
You will contest
He is
2022
बढ़िया
election
sir.
from Kurturi.
Very few days. You have to move very fast
Regional
now.
Bob, you will contest from 2022. Regional Bob, contest करतो तू 2022 election.
किधर है?
काय मरे
किधर?
contest करतो का म्हणता
I'm contesting 2022
काँग्रेस ticket.
on a Congress ticket. It's my preference, and I am contesting. See, मुगे किस जानतो मरे. Let us go by wishes of the people. Whatever my people will tell me, I will do.